Understanding Rooster's Offspring, a dive into idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, Rooster's Offspring. At first glance, this might seem like a straightforward term, but in the English language, it carries more meaning than you might think. Let's explore this phrase together and understand its significance and usage in English. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. So, let's get started. At its core, Rooster's offspring literally refers to the chickens that are the children of a rooster. However, in English, phrases involving animals often go beyond their literal meaning to convey characteristics, traits, or lessons. In this case, Rooster's offspring isn't a commonly used idiom in English and might not carry a specific idiomatic meaning. However, discussing it gives us an excellent opportunity to explore how animal-related phrases can enrich our language and communication. English is filled with idiomatic expressions that involve animals, each carrying unique meanings. For example, as brave as a lion signifies courage, while as wise as an owl denotes wisdom. These expressions add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to convey complex ideas and emotions succinctly. Understanding these can be incredibly beneficial for language learners, enhancing both comprehension and expression in real-life contexts. To effectively use phrases like Rooster's offspring, or any animal-related expressions, it's important to understand the context in which they're used. Most animal idioms have culturally evolved meanings that might not be immediately apparent from the words themselves. For learners of English, practicing these phrases in sentences and real-life scenarios can help solidify their understanding and usage. Remember, the key is to observe how native speakers use these expressions and in what contexts they apply. While Rooster's offspring might not be an idiom with a hidden meaning, exploring it has allowed us to understand how animal-related phrases enrich the English language. Idioms like these are windows into cultural values, history, and ways of thinking. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of English idioms and expressions. Keep learning, keep exploring, and don't forget to practice using these colorful expressions in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.